Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Virtual Workspace. This is the third video of my playlist, Citrix Virtual App and Desktop, Step-by-Step Installation and Configuration. In this video, I will walk you through the installation of Citrix license server and we will configure later. Before start the installation, I want to explain about the license server. The main purpose of license server to distribute and manage license. So how it work? The Citrix component like session of server and director communicate to the license server over port number 2700 and license server accept the incoming request on this port and then it's communicate to the vendor demand on port number 7279 and vendor demand manage the license. And port number 8082 it's used for the web-based license administration console that we use to manage Citrix license. That console, using that console, we manage the access right and install the license file on the license server. License file and license type. So license file that we can opt that from the Citrix site. For that, after purchase the license, we need to provide our license server host name, and that license server host name is critical. Once it provided, that license file will map to that host name only, and that host name its case sensitive. So providing the host name, we need to provide the exact host name. And once we provided the host name, we get the license file from the Citrix. That file we need to upload it on the portal, and then that file we can upload it on the Citrix license server, and then we can use it. So there are three types of license. One is user license, device license, and concurrent license. A user license means it's assigned to a specific user, and once it assigned, user can access number of application using that single license. It will assign to that user for 90 days. If after 90 days, it will assign to the other user if that user is not using. The same with the device license also. If it is assigned to one device, and from that device, number of user can access the Citrix. And the third license type is concurrent license. This license, it's mainly in production use this concurrent license type, but just depend on your environment. In concurrent license, license assigned to the session. Suppose it's assigned to one user and user log into the Citrix, and once it logged out, that license again return back to the pool. So let's see the installation now. Let's start the installation of license server. Let me log into the server, then we'll start the installation. The setup file, we need to download it from the Citrix portal. Let me attach that setup file, that ISO image to this server, and then we'll start the installation. In my last video, I explained about the prerequisite services, and we have installed it. We have added this server in domain, and now we are installing this for Citrix component, Citrix license server. This Citrix license server can be installed on dedicated server. Also, you can install it on a director, on a delivery controller. It depends on your requirement. But as here we are just doing in my lab, we are installing Citrix license server Citrix delivery controller and director on the same server. So first we will install the license server, and in next video I will install the other component. So that ISO file is attached. Let me open that file and we'll start the installation. Let's start the installation now. So we are installing the license server. So we need to select all this option, virtual app and desktop. So on this screen, it will show you all the component. We can install at a time as we are installing delivery controller, director and license server on same server. So we can select all this component at same time, but it will take time. So I will start with Citrix license server, and then we will install the other. And the Citrix license version is okay. For its next, click on the library. Let's click on the agree button and click on next. We are installing Citrix Virtual App and Desktop 2402 LTSR CO2. This is the latest LTSR version. Accept the agreement, click on next. We have selected only the license server component, so I am trying to click on next. By default it's selected. Installation is quite simple. You just need to click on you just need to run the setup and follow the instruction. As I explained earlier, these are the port number 2700. It is used for the accepting incoming license requests from the director and session of server, and 8083, this port number is used for the Citrix administration console that we open. For that, this particular port number we use, and port number 7279, it is a vendor demand port. So whenever Citrix component communicate with the Citrix license management manager over the port number 7022, and that Citrix license manager communicate with the vendor demand on port number 7279. So these are the three ports number are needed to this port number need to open on the Citrix server. I just select automatically as and click next. So these are the port number. I just click on the install. It will start the installation soon. Hello, welcome back. To save your time, I skip the installation process and it is completed now. So I'm selecting none of this option as is not needed really. And this is new Citrix license telemetry. It's a newly added program from Citrix side. So for that we need to open some open port to allow Citrix to collect some data. So and as per Citrix telemetry, it is compulsory to upgrade the license server of after 6 months of new release of every license version. So I selected none of the above and click on next. So it's completed. Installation is completed now. License server and component. Yeah, it's completed. Let me finish the license server. Installation is on. So in this video we understand and install license server. We will configure it later. So thanks for your time. In my next video I'm going to cover delivery control installation and configuration. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.